Come test drive this 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, front dual-zone air conditioning, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.